There are 5 types of cold calling openers. Most people do not know all of them. Some of them using the first one and then think why the prospect is not responding. Let's go through each of them. The first one, hey, my name is Sharat Sharma. I'm calling you from Simplify Sales. We are India's biggest sales talent enablement company. This is called a generic cold calling opener. Most cold callers use it. Most untrained cold callers use it, and that's the reason they get more rejections than anybody else. Now, this doesn't give the prospect any reason for you to have a conversation with you. Stop using the generic cold caller. I would rate it 3 on 10. The second one. Hi Madhu, my name is Sharat Sharma. I'm calling you from Simplify Sales. Can I borrow 30 seconds from you to explain why am I calling you? This is called the permission-based cold calling opener. Now this is much better. I would give it 8 on 10 because you are actually interrupting the prospect and now you're seeking permission from him to pitch whatever you want to pitch. This is a great one. You can see your response rate to go a little bit higher. Third one, I call this as honesty or disarming your prospect to open up and speak to you. Hi Madhu, my name is Sharat Sharma. I'm from Simplify Sales. You know what? I know I called you out of the blue, but this is a great one. I would give it 8.5 on 10. Why? Because you are honestly confessing the customer or the prospect that you are doing something which they were not expecting. And sometimes your prospect is open to respond to you. Fourth one, I call this as direct opener. Hi Madhu, my name is Sharat Sharma. I'm calling you from Simplify Sales, and the reason I'm calling you is, now this is a great one as well. I would give it 7.5 on 10. Why? Because you are directly saying that the reason you are calling is so and so. Sometimes the prospect is okay, sometimes the prospect is not okay with this, and that's the reason I would give it 7.5 on 10. Fifth one. Hi Madhu, my name is Sharat Sharma. The reason I'm calling you is I saw a LinkedIn post of yours where you were saying that you're hiring sales professionals, and I also saw that you're expanding your reach in other regions as well. This is called research-based cold calling opener. I give it a 9.5 on 10. Why? Because you have done your homework and now you've built your credibility in front of the prospect. And that's the reason you would get more responses when you do research-based cold calling openers. Which one are you using and which one would you want to try it out in your next cold call? Share this with someone who cold calls for a living. Make sales simple. Bye for now.